break her wrist. So like, yeah, in a sense, I don't break it, but I break it.
So she gotta let it go.
One more time. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, left, and break her wrist.
Don't break her wrist, no? Move her body. Let's find a different word.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the guys, you gotta move. The guys, got so you're following my shape. From here, watch me first, guys. From here, go 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, guys, you have to move to your left, here, and then move to your right. Yes, yes. DJ, let's play that song, that first song, the original song, for the class. Next one, next move. It's get a little complicated, but not so complicated, I promise. I promise. Alright, from here, it's left, right. We got this. Guys, you gotta be super smooth with this.
I'll try.
1, west side. That's from here. You're gonna say it's gonna go to here. My move goes up. 1, 2, 3.
Remember
4.
bridge.
All right? One time. Let's try from the slide left, slide right, and then hit under. All right? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Bridge.
6, 7, 8.
You gotta act like you're the 90s R&B video.
No, you come straight. Yeah,
So
you
guys,
don't turn. Yeah.
watch what I do. From here, after I slide right, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring your foot down forward, all right?
Just put it left to the right. I can jump some forward, put it in.
1 to the right, and then left foot comes in. All right, one time. Slide out. 5, 6, 7, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah.